welcome. And what we're going to look at right now is the distance formula and using it to find the distance between 2 points in the xy plane. So what we have labeled here are 2 points, -2, 3, and 4, 5. And what we're curious about is how far apart are they? So you might recall the distance formula over to the right is d equals the square root of x2 minus x1 quantity squared plus y2 minus y1 the quantity squared. Remember that that really represents the difference in the x's squared, which we call delta x, and the difference between the y coordinates squared. So the first thing we should do whenever we use a formula is to label the inputs. And our first point I'm just going to call x sub 1, y sub 1, and 4, 5 I'm going to call x sub 2, y sub 2. And that makes it very clear what we are going to substitute into this formula. So we have d is equal to the square root of, so x2 is 4, x1 is -2, and we're squaring that, plus y2 is 5 and y1 is 3. So that's 5 minus 3, the quantity squared. And now we just use our order of operations to simplify the expression. So we have the square root of 4 minus -2 is 6, and 6 squared is 36, plus 5 minus 3 is 2, and 2 squared is 4. And now we combine under the radical, so we have the square root of 40. And the exact form of the answer is what we're going to look for. So remember that some square roots can be simplified in that we remove the perfect square factors from the radicand, which is 40. So thinking about a perfect square that divides into 40 evenly, we could think of 4. So 40 can be rewritten as 4 times 10. And remember, by property of radicals, this is rewritten as the square root of 4 times the square root of 10, which is 2 square roots of 10. And this is the exact form of the distance. If you want to approximate it, naturally you can take a calculator and you can either type in the square root of 40 or 2 times the square root of 10, and they should both give you the same result. And we know that 2 times square root of 10 is simplified because there is no other perfect square factor that divides into 10 evenly. So there is a demonstration of the distance formula.